You do not need another motivational video. You need to stop wasting the next 30 days pretending you'll lock in tomorrow. Because tomorrow becomes next week becomes exam season, and suddenly you're blaming the teacher for a disaster you personally scheduled. Here's your 30-day academic comeback plan. Week 1, fix your environment. Clean your desk, organize your deadlines, remove social media from your home screen, and put your phone in another room when you study. Not face down, not on silent, in another room. Because if your phone is beside you, your attention is already divided, even when you're not touching it. Your goal this week is simple: complete one phone-free study session every day. Start with 20 minutes. Week 2, rebuild your energy. Go to bed and wake up at roughly the same time. Prepare what you need the night before and stop beginning every morning with 30 minutes of scrolling. Your brain cannot perform properly when you treat sleep like an optional side quest. And here is where most students make the comeback plan fail. They create a perfect routine that lasts 3 days. So week 3 is about consistency, not perfection. Choose your most important task each day and finish it before doing low-value work. Use 40 minutes of focused study, followed by a 10-minute break. One task, one tab, no multitasking. Because watching a lecture, answering messages, and redesigning your notes at the same time is not productivity. It's academic chaos with nice stationery. Now week 4, the week that separates a temporary burst of motivation from an actual comeback. Start testing yourself. Use practice questions, flashcards, active recall, and timed sessions. Stop rereading the same page until it feels familiar. Familiarity is not mastery. If you cannot explain it without looking, you do not know it yet. At the end of each day, write down 3 things: what you completed, what distracted you, and what you will fix tomorrow. 30 days will pass whether you change or not. You can enter the next month more focused, more prepared, and finally back in control. Or you can keep waiting for motivation and regret wasting another month.